What's up, guys? It's your boy Josiah Hine. I'm out here taking on the Tre Cime di Lavaredo. In this video, I want to talk to you about that less is more. Sometimes you can overdo it, and actually, even though you're doing more things, the quality is less and the experience is less, and you've actually missed out on something beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm right here in the Italian Dolomites. We were planning on 10 days in Tuscany with mom and dad, just staying in a villa. And instead, we did Amalfi Coast, we did Florence, we did Cinque Terre, we did Milano, we did Lago Como, we did Venice, and now we're in the Dolomites. Alright, so have we had a good trip? Yeah. Has it been full on? For sure. And sometimes you hit these trips and you're all like motivated, but the reality is you've actually done too much and you're just tired. You're not even enjoying it anyway. Buongiorno. Arrivederci. Grazie. Just getting on my, Italiano. Well, I speak first most Italian, and Felix here speaks second best, and Jenica speaks third best. Jenica, you speak Italian? Like I said, third best. Next time you keep your mouth shut. Sorry for her, okay? We're beautiful valleys, and we are on the other side of Tre Cime di Lavaredo. Let's go. That ND filter is just gnarly. Guys, what's up? I'm out here, Dolomites, about to hit up this trek to the Tre Cime di Lavaredo. These trucks are going hard. These mountains up here, come with me. That's full on. Where are we at right now? That's so hard to see that screen. We're one under, one over. These micro adjustments on this. It truly is beautiful, okay? Don't get me wrong. Now hear me, okay? It's gorgeous. But honestly, I was so tired because I'm burning the candle at both ends that I slept the entire journey here. Like literally, Felix is driving in the car and I am just crashed out. Like I'm like toast. It's like done. Feel me? It's just gnarly. So like, all right, yes, I'm seeing this cool place. Will I remember it? Will I appreciate it? For sure. But would I have liked to have caught up with Felix and not been so darn tired on the way? Yeah. Yeah, I would have, okay? Yes. But also, I'd like that to be not so overexposed. How's that? Bit better. Got my ND filter on there. Highly recommend it if you're doing video. That way you can keep your frame rate double the shutter speed. So that's the way to go, baby. You feel me? And guys, don't overdo it. I mean, unless you're young. Like when you're young, it doesn't matter. Hey, like just YOLO it. But man, I'm 31 years of age. I ain't getting any younger. And sometimes it's just too much. You feel me? Feel me? Segmento. Memento. Fundamental. Oh, that's still, oh, scheiße. Guys, I made it to the cave system. I've been trying to find these caves. Well, that was the goal of the day. But, oh, I'm not even on the gimbal. And ladies and gentlemen, there's these caves that they built, basically, in the war. Pretty full on. These caves in the side of the cliff. Pretty amazing. Come and explore them, and if you're lucky, get a bit of a shot of Tre Cime di Lavaredo. Feel me? Which pretty beautiful right there. Oh, the ISO, dang. Boom. Tre Cime di Lavaredo. And leave a comment down below letting me know, have you ever made that mistake where you have actually bit off more than you can chew? You know, I don't know, have you? You tell me. Bless you. Peace. Guys, this is the cave system. Felix, we made it, bro. Let's go. Man, so they built these caves actually for the war. Man, even war is an example of people wanting more than they need. And then you think, what's all this for in the end? I forced my soldiers to leave their house. It's trash, okay? You feel in the long run, I mean, come on, guys. Let's just pick it up. Feel me? Anyway, guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're keen to see more videos like this. As always, Jesus loves you. This has been a vlog by Josiah Hine. Arrivederci. Grazie.
Graziano.
Correcto.
Correcto.
See, correcto.